everyone can show correlation. Even fucking dead people can show correlation. What is the cause? Huh? What's the cause?
Daylight come, daylight go. How far will it reach? Ain't nobody knows. Now I know you need the dark just as much as the sun, but you're signing on forever when you ink it in blood.
I'm here for research.
I use my state of the art technology.
I'm not putting my equipment through your fucking machine.
Supposed to make for better living. Are we better human beings? We've got our wires all crossed. The tubes are all tight, and I'm straining to remember just what it means to be alive. A life worth living. Now you can feel it in your chest, building like little bullets, just building up the nest, and you build it up strong, and you fill it up with love, and you pray for good rain.